pakulo. Pagkain at lugar palaging bago. Reposio! Sama-sama.
So, good afternoon everyone. So today is Sunday and actually maraming mga ganaps na eksena ang mangyayari for today. So later night, I will be judging a Miss Gay in Barangay Calzada here in Taguig. So usually naman, nagja-judge naman ako doon. So I think ilang times na rin to na nag-judge ako sa gay pageants doon sa barangay na yun. So it's not new. So I think every August kasi fiesta doon. So they're having this Miss Gay or annual Miss Gay yearly. So ayun, we will show you later yung mga magiging ganap doon sa Miss Gay, and then later I will be judging with Camille. She's one of my bride models before and one of my naka-naka din, and also with Asher. So he's one of the groom's model din nung last fashion show namin. So mga pageantero at pageantera yung mga kasama kong judge later, because we will be judging a pageant. Kahit Miss Gay pageant siya. So maraming eksena kasi before ako mag-judge, we will be going sa church muna. Dito lang din naman sa Taguig, and then after that we'll be going to sa shop, and then I'll be meeting Camille, and then we'll picking up Ash. So sabay-sabay kaming darating doon. So I believe sasamahan ako ni Paul for today's judging. So he will be with me, and Zia will be with his grandma and with his auntie Ports later. So sila muna magbabantay kay Zia. Kasi for sure, pag mga gantong Miss Gay, automatic madaling araw ang tapos niya. Kaya hindi na namin sinama si Zio kasi nga, you know, sobrang late na yan matatapos. And gabi na rin kasi yung start and medyo maulan. So I think kaya na namin yan. So ayun, later we'll be showing you kung ano yung magiging ganaps and happenings sa pageant. And then makikita nyo yung iba't ibang beautiful gay contestants natin. Though yung iba mga trans and talaga namang mga susuhan. So papakita ko sa inyo later yun. But now, where am I going? So I'll be going sa baba, sa pool area. Kasi nandun si Paul and Zio. Nag-swimming si Zio. Because it's a Sunday daw. So nag-swimming sila ni Paul. Or nag-swimming na sila ni Paul actually sa baba sila. So I'll be checking them out sa baba. Sa ground now. Okay, so I'll just go and check them. Alright, so nandito ako sa back part ng lobby. Sa likod na daan. Ang bango. Amoy saging na saba na matamis. Sino kaya nagluluto dyan? Pahingi. That's my favorite. So, andito ako sa likod. Dumaan. Kasi pagdaan mo dito, andito na agad yung pool area. Ayan. So, ayun sila.
In every country, new experience unfold. Tasting the flavors, watching the stories told. From New York to London, we're chasing the fun. Around the world, our journey just begun.
Siya? Hi! Hi! Sa kanya ba yun? Oh, meron siya na pati mo dinala. Yung ano, God? Kay Zia yun? Ah. So they're here. Yeah. Uy, be, baka bumaba yun dun, ha? Nag-swim na siya dito? Ano sabi niya?
Give it back later, ha? It's not yours.
Okay, so magsiswimming lang si Zio here. Mga quick lang naman. And then, akit na rin kami because we have a mass later. Sabi sa'yo malamig eh. Okay. See you later. Swim! Show me the swim! Sia! Show me how you swim, Sia. Show me how you swim. Swim! Swim! Okay, swim! Sia! Like it. How to swim? Let me see how to swim. Let me see how you swim. I like that. Oh, go there. Go there again. Let me see. Okay. Lie down. Okay. Good job. How about your feet? How about your face? Let's go na. We're going na. We're gonna go to church.
In every country, new experience unfold. Tasting the flavors.
We're gonna go to the church. Come on. Let's go. Let's go to the church. Let's go.
Oh, wait, it's coming! Wait!
Huh? Say hi here. Okay, so we're done with the church. And we're here at McDonald's. Taya, say hi.
Hi.
Yung ano na sa
Say hi to the vlog.
Sia, look, look. You, look. Hi, say hi.
So we're just gonna take out lang some food. Because we're hungry na.
I'm hungry.
Is yung fries nila
I'm hungry.
Hindi kita ang dilim sa akin. Hi.
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 So, then we'll be going sa
Thank
shop.
you.
Oh, here. Yeah. Hi. Okay.
See you later. Okay. Say hi. Ano na? Wala, video na. And Paul is here, waiting. Hoy Camille, bilisan mo na! Magbibihis pa yan! Bibisan ko lang si Camille.
Jai,
Paunahin mo na si...
yung sa Xerox machine,
Yes.
nandun yung copy ko ng program sa mga judges. Pwede na.
Okay, so we're already here at the table. So here's the judging score. National costume, swimsuit, talent. Ano pa? Long gown. It's already 8:30.
Panginoon, sa ating mga isip at ating mga puso. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Mahal naming Panginoon, maraming salamat. San Roque, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating patron. Yan po ay taon-taon natin ginagawa. At ngayon, nagdaan po ang ating barangay council at sa ating mga city council. Maraming salamat din po sa inyong tulong para maging masagana at maayos po ang ating kamistahan ngayong gabi. So sa ngalan po ni Kap Omi Tanyag, kami po ay bumabati ng isang masagana at maligayang kamistahan ng San Roque at magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Salamat po sa ating pong Kapitana Mayet Tanyag. So, ang susunod naman po, okay, so maraming salamat po sa ating Kapitana. Who we will determine tonight's winner. Our judge number 1. A graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Manila Doctors College. Finished basic and advanced makeup course at Style Studio Design. School Philippines. studied fashion design and sewing at School of Fashion and Arts Design Institute. A professional makeup artist for bridal, fashion, pageant, and etc. for more than 10 years. Received several top bookers awards for wedding and bridal fairs. Owner and chief makeup artist at Team Red Salon and Beautalon. One of the lead designers and owner of Red Gaha Collection and Gown Rental. And a pageant handler and beauty queen maker. Barangay Calzada, let's give a round of applause to our judge number 1, Mr. Red June Gaha. Our judge number 2, napaganda at nangingibabaw sa isang tao. Please all welcome our judge number 2, Ms. Jubilee Lomaco.
My fans.
Our judge number 3, a first-year tourism management student at Arellano University Andres Bonifacio Campus. He was crowned Mr. Arellano University 2026 Interbranch and Mr. Eco Community of Barangay Hagunon. He also became a top 10 finalist in Mr. Teen World Philippines. A model and an influencer with 600,000 followers on his social media account, Asher T. Please all welcome our judge number 3, Mr. Asher Salvador. Our judge number 4, Miss Celebrity International Philippines League 2026. Mutia ng Western Igutan 2026. One of the Tomatian Ambassadors 2018. USC Salindawin member 2014 up to 2019. Part of the Team Philippines who competed at Korea and won bronze, represented the Philippines in Indonesia. Sayaw Pinoy National Dance Competition Champion. Our judge number 4, Miss Camille Mendoza. And our last judge, the jury, Mr. Jed Pasqua. Alright, so sa lahat po ng ating mga manonood ngayong gabi, explain ko lang po ang ating po mga category ngayong gabi. So ang una po nating category ay national costume, and then followed by swimsuit competition, then talent, and last, our long gown competition. So, bali ang mangyayari po, each candidate po, pag lumalabas po sila, ang mangyayari po ngayon ay on-the-spot scoring po sa ating pong mga judges. Okay, para po clear po sa lahat, on-the-spot scoring po ang mangyayari po sa ating ngayong gabi. Each candidate po. National competition.
Sa layo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang masigabong palakpakan dyan.
But our main purpose of living and joining here is just to love, to be loved. Because I believe the fan fact trivia that I am the only one bisexual contender among all the gays and transgender at my back right now. At nag-iwan lamang po ako ng isang kasabihan, judges, I joined this competition because you have enough capabilities and credentials to be seated as judge. I joined this competition because this is the...
Okay, so judges, judge number 1.
I like the simplicity of the costume, so it's 23.
So for that, I give it 22.
Okay, so candidate number 1, the costume is very beautiful. Josa, no? So 24.5.
Hi, contestant number 1. I'll give golden 23.5.
Hi, candidate number 1. You look stunning. And a very well set introduction. So that's a 25 for me.
Maganda hindi barangay Calzada Timos. Give a man a fish, and he will live for a day. But teach a man how to fish, and he will live for a lifetime. Maayong ugtos in
Angel ka girl, 24.
Oh my God! I thought there's an angel fall from the sky. Ikaw pala yun. And I give you for that 24.5. Thank you.
Literal Angel, base card, 25.
You look really like an angel. 24.
That's a dream-like attire. That's 25.
Hooray! Maraming salamat po. The essence of being a gay is to do whatever is considered remarkable truth and to eradicate the misconceptions that we LGBT members are jinx of the society. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to the panel board of judges. Ma'am, sir, magandang gabi po. My name is Iya Sanga, 28, and I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education.
Okay, judges.
In fairness, bago yun dahil pasabog ka, 25.
And dahil dyan, 24.5. Thank you.
I love the presentation, 24.5.
I actually agree that a national costume should be representing something.
so I'll give you 24, and I love the confidence.
Candidate number 3, you carried yourself beautifully, but it's a 24 for me.
Ako ng kapatawaran, ngunit kung ang aming pong pagkatao ang siyang magbibigay sa inyo ng kasiyahan at ngiti, maaari bang humingi na isang masigabong palakpakan! What's up, Madam People? Ako po si Barbie Nicole, 25, ang kutis ng pero mabangis ng San Mateo, probinsya, Lalawigan ng Rizal at Opo. Ako nga po yung napanood nito lamang August 12, 2026 sa Miss Q&A Reyna Talakera ng It's Showtime. But tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel and festival all the way from Quezon Province, La Islas, Pilipinas, mabuhay!
Okay, judges. Okay. Hello. Okay, dahil ginisus mo kami dyan, 24.5.
Alright, I like the 23.5. Thank you very much.
Very powerful performance, no? So I'm giving you 24.5.
I'll say this is the national costume that I'm looking for. I'll give you 24.5.
That's indeed mabangis. Candidate number 4, that's a 24.5.
Thank you, candidate number 4. Okay lang nga naman po. Distinguished panel, Board of Adjudicators, professional individual watching this competition. I firmly believe on the saying that for it to be the guts and the glory of this most prestigious event. Ladies and gentlemen, judges, I am the original who brought this costume to life in TikTok and in Facebook. This costume goes viral and the LGBT community imitate this, and I'm proud to be one. Ladies and gentlemen, my real name is Angel Gerard Kyoge, a proud graduate of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English at the University of the Philippines in Diliman, Quezon City, batch of 2010. I am the only transgender teacher tonight, and I am proud to say that I represented Taguig City in Manila's 5 prettiest 2017. I am a national title holder of Miss Gay Philippines World, and I am still a bisexual before, but now conquering this competition as a proud transgender teacher. Ladies and gentlemen, bago ko po sabihin sa inyo, mamakla. Bakit? Kapag na babae ka, tiyak ka, gastos ka. kapag ng babae ka, kasalanan sa mga kababaihan. Respetuhin niyo sila. Pakikiapid yun. Tama ba? Tiyak ka. Gastos ka. Mag-date kayo sa Vista Mall Taguig. Mall of Asia. Tagaytay Highlands. Tiyak ka. Gastos ka. Judges, sa aming mga bakla, ipipikit mo lang ang iyong mga mata. Iyong unat ang mga paa. Pag-isip mo, may Air Max ka na, may iPhone ka na, may 20,000 ka pa. Alsada di ba ang palakpakan? Hindi lang yun. Ready na ang SSS mo? May PhilHealth ka na, Big Heart. May pag-ibig ka pa. Ladies and gentlemen, in tonight's beauty pageant, yes, you will see beautiful faces, but I never believe that the best asset of my body is never my beauty but my brain. Try to test me, beauty, beauty, beauty. I came, I saw, and I will conquer the Tonight Show.
Judges.
Mukhaan. Mukhaan. Palakpakan. Thank you, judges.
Okay. Ang ganda mo sa madilim, tsaka sa maliwanag. And na-miss ka namin. I know you. It's a 25.
Oh my God, I give you 24.5. Thank you.
Okay, so madami kasi nakapansin na may kapareho ang costume. Pero I think the way you presented your costume, I'll give you a solid 24.
Ay, Madonna. Silver lining, 23.5.
Candidate number 5, I love the wit and the wise words. That's a 25 for me.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5.
Di makuha ng kalat ko. San ninyo sa kandakan, puto sa eko sa ginaan. Kung ayaw mo magpautang, uubusan na ng ragdaan. Sandali lang mga kabayan, tanga ba ang pinapagkikinggan? Pinapagbigyan sa tugon, siya pa ang galit. Ito lang dapat ibigay, ito pinipili. Pag nangutang naman, huwag na patagalin. Bayaran na sa patak na mabibigyan.
Sobrang baba ng mic. Hello, hi, mabuhay. Kalsala, tipas. Hear now what they say of the color of your skin. Let the brilliant light of your soul blinded. Things turn out to be the best for the people who make the best out of this way. Things turn out. For hope is better than fear. Optimism is better than despair. So let us, beloved, hopeful and optimistic, will definitely change the world. Let me introduce my name. It's Jade Abad in real life. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name. Ang babaeng nagpatibo sa puso ni Mr. Mikey Morada. Yes, ang babaeng pinagpala ng Binibining Alex. Sabi sa mga kabataan, pag nakakita po kayo ng saging na green, tsak, hilaw pa po yun. Pero pag nakakita kayo ng saging na dilaw, tumpak, hinog na po iyon. Pero pag kayo nakakita ng saging na brown, mahaba, oh shit, dilaan mo. Oh, dilaan mo ba? Huwag po tayong green-minded, turon po iyon. Magandang gabi!
Okay, judges. I like the costume. It's 24.
That, I give you 25. Thank you.
Okay, that costume is absolutely gorgeous and you as well. So I'll give you 24.
I love how all the props and how you represented your costume. So it's 24 for me.
You look so exquisite tonight. That's a 23.5.
Thank you. Candidate number 6.
Dagdagan niyo ba, counter? At hiyawan, counter. Salamat po, counter. The national costume that I'm wearing tonight is inspired by Panagbenga Festival of Baguio City with glimpse of the Mother of Jesus Christ, Virgin Mary, that symbolizes vibrant spirit and agricultural growth. Ako po, si Summer Jane Corpus, 20 years old, all the way last from the Manilas, Northeast at Santa Mesa, Manila. But tonight, allow me to carry the image of your one and only, the controversial, the girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ding Dong, Dantes, the mother of two, Miss Marian Rivera. Marian Rivera na nagsasabing noon ang mga babae tinitignan dahil magaganda. Ngayon, ang mga magaganda tinitignan kung tunay na mga babae. Dahil ngayong Agosto, pinagdiriwang natin ang araw ng ating wika. Mahalin natin ang ating wika. Judges, ladies and gentlemen, kung inyong mamahalin ang wika, sana'y mahalin niyo rin ang babae nasa inyong harapan. And I am your recently crowned Queen of Quiapo International 2026. Pusong Manilenya, pero tubong kalsada. Krimen.
Okay, judges. I like the costume and the presentation. At dahil ang ganda mo, 25.
Oh my God! 9. Thank you.
I really like yung costume kasi na-showcase na yung summer capital of the Philippines, which is in Baguio. And also face card, so I'll give you 25.
You know what? No more other words. This is the first 25 score of the night from me.
You look charismatic, Summer Jane. So that's a 25 for me.
All right, thank you. Candidate number 8. Ako nga po ang tunay na kawangis, ang kinalaban ni Marian Rivera sa palabas na Darna, ang babaeng ahas na si Binibining Iwa Moto. And yes, I am your recently crowned as Queen of the Gig. But for tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel, Board of Judges, ngayon pong gabi, bago po ako umalis sa napakagandang entabladong ito, nais ko lamang pong mag-iwan.
Okay, judges. I like the costume, it's 24.5.
I'm giving you 25 for that.
Very powerful performance, so I'll give you 24.5.
I love how you carry that shirt. Is it heavy? Okay, so for that, I'll give you 24.
You carried yourself very well. That's so elegant. That's a 24.5.
Masarap ka naman, pero di ka minahal. And ladies and gentlemen, I proudly to dedicate this costume sa ating mga masisipag at mga bayaning tricycle driver ng Barangay Calzada, ang Kaltoda. Maraming pong salamat.
Okay, judges. I like it, so it's 24.5.
Hi! Saan ang pasada mo ngayon? Saan ang pasada? Alright. I love the costume. It's very unique and has a strong character. Because of that, I give you 25.
Hello, Lian. Sobrang ganda ng costume mo kasi sobrang buhay na buhay. And then, represent niya talaga yung Calzada and Pasto. So, I'll give you 25.
I also believe that you are representing Calzada with that costume, so I'll give you 24.
You look so vibrant, and I love the purpose of your costume, so it's a 24.5.
Pilipinas, oh, tara ng kanta ng Pilipinas. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, sadyang
ang baba ng mic. Tataas naman. Ano? Ang layo naman. Thank you. Hindi ako magsisimulang magpakilala hanggat di lumalapit sa aking harapan at umaakyat sa entabladong ito upang halikan ako ni Judge Asher Garcia! O ulitin ko, in an English word, I will not start. Hindi ako magsisimula magpakilala. At di ako tinitira. Charot. Ay, hindi pumalakpak. Mamamatay kinabukasan. Ang hindi magiyawan. Masusunugan ng I'm not for sale. Yung 5 years na po akong walang dandruff. Ba't di natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyaw-iyawan si Binibining Angel Locsin. Binibining Angel Locsin na mag-iiwan ng good vibes na mga kasabihan bagamat tayo'y nagkakasiyahan lamang, di ba? Na sana po ay walang halong luto ang patimpalak na ito. Dahil po ang aking mga magulang ay may laing mangkukulam na nasa inyo pong likuran. At sa mga boys na nanonood ngayong gabi, hindi pa ako tapos pala. Bago ko lisanin ang malinis na entabladong ito, lagi ninyong tatandaan kapag ang araw ay lumubog na, syempre, gabi na. Pero ikaw, kuya, pag ang mukha mo ang lumubog, sige, siya mo pa, people ng Batang Kalsada, ano na, bomba na, Tapos na ako. Okay, judges. Okay, dahil mo chika, girl. But I love the presentation and the costume, so it's a pasabog. It's 25.
And I give you 25 for that. Thank you.
Hello, baby. Hindi na silent. Yung costume mo is pasabog. Ayan, literal na pasabog. And I really like yung costume kasi literal na culture. So, I'll give you 25.
I really love the costumes you have. Super Days 24.
Candidate number 11, indeed saved the best for last. That's a 25 for me.
God bless. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, thank you, candidate number...
your Miss Gay ng Taguig, Miss Gay Katuparan Taguig. And yes, I am your Bexing ng Maynila 2026 fourth princess. Study Bachelor of Secondary Education. Yes, I am a licensed transgender teacher by a profession from University of Makati. Magsasalita ang demonyo.
Andito na ako! Ang nilalaliman!
Again, this thing is Board of Judges, people of Calzada de Paz. This is your one and only queen, R.C. Simon Palakpakan.
Okay, judges. I love the costume, so bago to sa akin, it's 25.
The costume ay storytelling siya. So for me, 25.
Outstanding performance. Your performance is your 24.5.
Hi, RZ. I'm also not in costume, so this is my second 25. 25 round.
Miss RC, you look extraordinary. This is a 25.
Sa bawat kanto, may bagong pak